Thank you for staying with us. The Nigeria Extractive Industries Transparency Initiative, NEITI, is seeking an amendment of the Freedom of Information Act to provide sanctions against the use of FOI requests to blackmail, defame, or extort. The agency spoke at the North Central Regional Roundtable on the FOI Act in Nigeria. TVC News correspondent Joke Adisa has more.
On the 28th of May 2011, former President Goodluck Jonathan signed the Freedom of Information Bill (FOI) into law. The act marked a transformative evolution as it affirms access to information, freedom of expression, and the right of citizens to know how they are governed. 14 years on, keen watchers believe challenges around access to public information in Nigeria have reached a critical stage, especially in the extractive sector, which remains the economic lifeline of the country. Center for Transparency Advocacy worries that even with the FOI Act, it is difficult to obtain clear, timely, and complete information from government bodies. This roundtable is part of a broader effort to promote transparency, accountability, and good governance in Nigeria.
There has been progress, but implementation remains weak. Many public institutions still operate in a culture of secrecy, while some are yet to establish the FOI unit. Some websites are inactive, even when the laws requires proactive disclosure of information by MDAs.
If democracy must be founded strong, if democracy is to yield dividend, then there has to be access to information.
The NOA has been at the forefront of engaging citizens about the provisions of the acts for their benefit.
In the last 10 years, NEITI has responded to 72 FOI requests covering annual industry reports, contract transparency data, and beneficial ownership registers. It celebrates recent victories such as the Supreme Court's affirmation of FOI Act's applicability nationwide. NEITI exposes what it calls a dangerous trend in the use of FOI Act.
The time has come for those who labor to put this law in place to come together and separate the chaffs from the real credible civil society that understand the importance of this law.
NEITI also suggests the creation of an oversight or redress mechanism to protect institutions and verify the legitimacy of requests before being processed. Joke Adisa, TVC News, Abuja.